You want to know what's going to make your life easier? Using a swipe action on your tasks, on your contacts, on anything inside the Command app. We have swipe actions and I love them, and if you don't know about them, you do now. So let's get started and let me show you these swipe actions so we can make your life easier. It's your favorite tech trainer, Bren Brewer, and yes, we are back in the Command app. And y'all, if you're not downloading this app and using it, you do it today. You can get on the Command app. You just type in KW Command on the App Store or the Google Play Store. Go get this app, y'all. I carry this around in my phone. I can call everybody I know. It is amazing. So today, what we're going to work on is we are going to work on swiping. So what I want to do is I want to go to my tasks, and I'm going to show you I have a follow-up task here. Instead of actually clicking the button here that shows that I've done the task, or clicking the three dots here, I'm just going to slide over to the right like this with my finger, and that's going to take me to the edit screen where I can edit my tasks. Well, maybe I need to write what I need to talk to Josh about. So I need maybe to talk about listing his home and setting an appointment. And I'm just going to click save in the top right after I've typed that in. So now that's due today. Now if I've done that task, I can click on it and click the done button, the little check mark. But if this is a task I don't want to do, I can just swipe to the left and that's going to archive this task. It's super easy to do, and I love this. It's a really cool feature to have, and it makes things so much easier than clicking the three dots and clicking archive. So let's pretend I didn't archive that and I want to reschedule it. I can click the three dots and do that, or if I actually did the task, I can click the check mark and the task gets marked as complete. If I don't want to do that, I can click undo. The task comes right back. This is a super helpful thing on our Command app. It's also available inside of contacts. You can see here I have Joshua Brewer. I can slide to the right to edit his contact. Slide to the left does not work because we cannot archive yet from our mobile app. But if we want to slide to the right, that's going to bring us the contact card that we can edit. And then once we're done editing this section, then we can just click save. I hope you found this feature helpful. Let me know what you like swiping in the Command app. Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you next week.